I needed some hair products to do some reviews for you guys. So I saw the Shea Moisture Lush Length Conditioner and Lush Length Shampoo. I've never heard of it. Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, just giving you guys a quick update video instead of making this a vlog, because I think not a lot of people watch my vlog videos. Hopefully that will change soon. But yeah, I went to get my nails done today and finally they didn't get messed up. These are my nails. I love this light pink and I'm just loving like a simple look. Like before, you guys remember I used to get like all types of crazy designs and stuff like that, but I just like a really soft pink. And I'll probably insert a video of both because I did a separate video so you can see it. But yeah, so let's see, what did I do today? I did some vlogging, I did some stuff for social media. What did I want to share with you guys? Just channel updates. Like, I'm posting more, so if you guys have not been caught up on my videos, definitely check out some of my playlists. I've been uploading videos on business, my lip gloss business. If anyone wants to start a lip gloss business, I'm doing those types of videos. I've been definitely updating lots of natural hair videos, so if you guys have not seen those yet, please check my playlist. What else have I been? I've been uploading lots and lots of shorts for YouTube because those are easy to upload and the response from those are really good. Yeah, so I just want you guys to know that I am back at it again and I'm being very consistent with videos for you guys. So if you have any video requests, just let me know, write it in the comments, and I'll definitely try. If it's something that I can do and that I want to do, I'll definitely try to do that to help you guys out. Any natural hair videos that you need help with, let me know. Any videos on business in terms of if you want to start a lip gloss business, or general questions, any questions that you know are more than like one or two general, I would definitely advise you to do a consultation with me, which are available on my website kharyzmaforyou.com. That way I can answer questions specific to your business, and like sometimes things are too much to type in an email or too much to, like, because it really depends. So definitely book a consultation. They're very reasonably priced, and yeah, check out my website. All the information will be there. So today I went to get my nails done and I just want to show you some things that I got from Marshalls. First and foremost, I got this cute reusable bag and it's denim. Isn't this so cute? From Marshalls. This is too cute, guys. I had to get it and it came in a pack of 2, and my instructor, my dance teacher, he loves denim, so I was like, okay, it comes in a pack of 2, I'm gonna give him one because he's gonna love it. I needed some hair products to do some reviews for you guys, so I saw the Shea Moisture Lush Length Conditioner and Lush Length Shampoo. I've never heard of it, and this is the Shea Moisture. You know, Shea Moisture had gone under like different management, like someone else bought the company, so you know that's why we don't really hear too much about it anymore. But I was able to grab these and I was like, I never heard of them, so it would be very good to do a video. So definitely look out because I'll be doing a video on this. I just got the shampoo and conditioner. I also picked up the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Root Repair. I've used this before in the past and I really love it. I got this cute little makeup bag and it's by Camuto. So cute. And this was only $10. It said manufacturer price $29. So I thought that was so cute because Camuto makes some nice shoes and things like that. I have like 1 pair of sandals from Camuto. So I thought this was nice because it's like snakeskin. It's a metallic pink and then it has these like studs on them. Too cute. And here's the zipper right here. And I needed a new makeup bag. Oh, so cute. Okay, look inside. It has like this is like 2 compartments here, and it has Like it's satin and then it's like elastic, 2 compartments. Oh, and it has a zipper compartment here. So this is perfect, guys. Let me show you. Yeah, the zipper is right here. I know it's kind of hard to see, but oh, I actually zipped it up. Let me open the zipper. Yeah, so it has a zipper compartment here, and then 2 compartments, one here and one. This is so cute. So this will be so nice when I'm traveling, and yeah, I could put this in one of my bags. So it was time for me to get. I'm so happy I got this. It is so cute. So if you have a Marshalls near you, definitely check them out. And then I found these cute little earrings by Sophia James, and look, so pretty. These are it says made with crystals from Swarovski. Fine, it's silver plated, fine silver plated, but look at the detail, guys. It is so pretty. I had another pair last year for my birthday, but they kind of were getting old and some of the crystals came out, so I was like, this would be really nice. The other one I had was like all studded, but this one is like silver in the middle and then like 2 rows of studs around it. So these are gonna look so cute. I have these on now, these Chanel earrings on. But I'm gonna I'll probably do another haul video, because I do have a jewelry haul video for you guys. A company reached out to me and wanted me to help with promotion, so definitely stay tuned for that. Also, I have lots of product reviews to do. As you guys know, I'm also an influencer and I've been getting some brand deals. I'm just so excited. I'm gonna do a separate video to tell you about that whole process, how to become how to get brand deals and how to become a paid influencer. How are some of the ways that you can start? I'm just starting out. I've done a couple, but I feel like it's picking up now, and I'm just so excited and so excited. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely put it in the comments, and if you have questions about that, leave it in the comments so that when I do the video, I'll be able to answer some of your questions if it's something that I have experience in. But I recently did like I've gotten some brand deals from a couple of people through a social media platform, and I've been doing really well with them, guys, and I'm just with one, so I'm hoping to sign up with a couple of other ones so that I can, you know, get the ball rolling and do that, and definitely share all of that information with you, and if anyone is interested in that. Other than that, that's it. I just wanted to update you. Got my nails done, did a little shopping, getting some little things. You know, it's been a while since I did a video like that. I will be doing some what's in my bag videos. You guys love those, and I have some bags that you've seen already in the hauls, but I didn't show you what's in my bag, or definitely styling some of the bags that I have. So thank you to all of my new subscribers. Hello, I look forward to doing more videos for you, and thank you to all of my longtime subbies, guys. You know I love you. Follow me on Instagram. I have a couple of Instagrams, but right now I just promote my business Instagram and my style page. My personal one, I don't promote too much because that's private, and if you already follow me there, you follow me there, you're in. I kind of screen that one now because I don't really want any more followers on my personal Instagram, but follow me on my business Instagram, Kharyzma For You Fashion, where you can find wonderful lip gloss, as well as my website, kharyzmaforyou.com, and my style page, Kharyzma For You Style, and TikTok. I'm on TikTok now, guys. Follow me on TikTok. And what else? My Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma For You, for satin bonnets, satin scarves, hair accessories, custom clothing that I make with my own hands on my sewing machine. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little update. Look forward to more videos, and springtime is coming, and I'm just so excited for the remainder of the year and the months to come, and I'm just so excited. So talk to you soon.